Welcome to the tutorial on how to create both admin users and normal or POS users. Please note that before you can create a user, you must have already created a branch. If you haven't done so yet, kindly refer to our previous video titled How to Create a Branch. For creating both admin and normal user, you have to begin by logging in with your main admin credentials. Starting by typing the username, then type the password, click on Login. After logging in, you will be directed to the dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click on Settings, select Users. On the right-hand side, click on Add New User. A form now will appear to create a new user. Fill in the required details as follows, starting by the full name, then the username. The username is usually in small letters without space. Now type the password. Confirm the password. Next, you have to select a branch. Select one from the list of already created branches. Now type the email address. In the user type, select admin from the drop-down. After filling all the required details, click on Submit. Your new admin user have now been successfully created. You will see the list of users in this interface where you have the options to edit and to delete the user. To edit the user, click on this particular icon. Say you have to change the name. Change the name accordingly. You have to type the password once again. Confirm the password. After all the required editings, click on Submit. Does the user have been edited? To delete that particular user, click on this icon. You can select OK to delete, otherwise cancel. Now let's move on creating a normal or POS user. Again, just click on the Add New User tab on the right hand side. Fill in the same details. The username. Give a password. Confirm the password. Select the branch. Provide an email address. Now in the user type, you have to select normal. After filling up all the details, select Submit. Thus the normal user has been created. This will also appear in the same interface. The edit and the delete options are always available for all the users. Talking about the difference between admin and the POS users. The admin user has access to advanced settings. They can create items, define units of measurement, set up dining tables, add payment modes, and manage item categories. On the other hand, the POS or the normal user has limited access. They can take and update orders, process payments, access sales reports, perform day closing. So while both users operate within the same systems, their roles and responsibilities are clearly separated to ensure smooth operations. Thank you for watching this tutorial.